Do you have slow and stuck drains? I'm going to show you how to professionally clean these and never have to call a plumber again and save hundreds of dollars.
By wiping your tool and even rinsing it off at the end, it will last longer. If you've never seen a drain cleaning machine, a powered auger, this might look excessive to you, but this is what it takes to clean stuck drains. If you purchase this professional drain cleaning machine by Garvee, you will be the hero of your household and your drains will be clear of clogs for years to come. Okay, here I want you to select what tip you want for your cleaning. I'm going to pick this articulating one. This seems like it can bend around corners. The kit comes with 6 total cleaning tips. With the provided screwdriver, you're simply going to loosen that. All of the tips have the circle, and then you can see that it fits perfectly, and screw it back down tight. Protective work gloves are an absolute must when doing this, and they are included. It's nice to have a rag or two on standby. You're also going to want to clean the auger as you're retracting it. Also, lay down tarp. If you don't have that, how about a simple garbage bag to protect under your cabinets?
Appropriate places to use your drain cleaning machine is under sinks and showers, under toilets, under all sinks and cabinets, and laundry areas.
Now, if your drains are metal, you may need a pipe wrench or large pliers to loosen the connections. I find if it's a plastic drain, you literally can just do it with your hands often. To extend the cable, you have a locking mechanism here. You're going to loosen it when you extend the cable in and out, and then you're going to tighten it down when you want the cable to rotate with the power cleaner. Now your power cleaner will plug into the wall, and you'll actuate it with this foot switch. On the power side, you can pull the trigger and lock it in place. So the sequence here is I want you to extend the cable into the drain, and then you'll lock it down and rotate. And then you can extend further and keep repeating it. Okay, now when you feel like you've extended further enough and got past the clog, you're ready to start retracting. This is where it's a good idea to have a rag on standby, because you can clean the cable as you're retracting and it will last longer that way. And then here you're simply putting it back into the reel to store it. By wiping your tool and even rinsing it off at the end, it will last longer. Before you put the drain back together, check your traps to see if they need to be rinsed out or cleaned in any way. All right, turn on the water, check for leaks. Your drain should be free and clear now. You did it. That was a professional drain cleaning machine by Garvee. You did it yourself. You saved hundreds of dollars. I'm telling you, you can buy this and use it and keep it in your house. You can even probably rent it out or have your relatives or loved ones use it, or you can help them use it. This is a solid piece of equipment and it worked very, very well.